Hey there, this is Voiso Onboarding Team. In this video, we'll explain how to use the Agent List widget. It's time to set up your new Agent List widget. Within the General section, you'll find individual parameters for this particular widget. For example, you can choose not to showcase agents that are currently offline. Within Metrics, you are able to choose the parameters that we find useful to review the user's performance. To track your team's work, we suggest using total calls, as well as the amount of unique numbers dialed, and calls with a certain talk time. If you want to review calls with above 2 minutes duration, pick the Answer Effective parameter. To review how many new numbers the agent's been calling throughout the day, choose the New Numbers value. At the bottom, you can also select additional parameters to review how long the agents have stayed within a certain status. Switching to Teams allows you to choose the necessary teams you will use. Once you've chosen the team, click on Save to review the results. This widget is resizable, so you can toggle it to review all the necessary info. By clicking on the cog, adjust the widget if needed. This widget shows all the required information. You can adjust column positions to make sure that you see the info you need right in the beginning. By clicking on the number in the Customer Number column, you can interact with any of your agent's ongoing conversations. To join the conversation that the agent is currently on, click on the number and choose one of the actions from the drop-down menu.